welcome back to my channel. I feel like I said that 10 times because this crazy girl keeps making me restart. But anyways, here we are. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a haul. So a lot of people have been telling me they've been saving up money because they're not going out and stuff. But I've literally just been online shopping and my shipments finally came in. So for today, I have a haul from Mango and I have a haul. Okay guys, so for this haul, I didn't get that many items because I wanted to focus on accessories because I feel like I've been shopping a lot and I don't have that many. Well, I do have a lot, but I wanted more. So there's a lot of, there's not a lot. I have bags, I bought shoes, and a couple other items that I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. I'm definitely doing this wrong. Okay. Okay, so for my first item from the Zara Haul, it's this sweater that I'm super excited about. Wait a second. We go. Okay, guys, this is a large. So they didn't have any mediums or smalls left. And we're like, you know what, it's really cute, so we're just gonna get a large. And I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, but it's not. So I got this sweater. The fact that it's cropped is really, really cute. And I like the lime green color. I feel like I can pair it with a lot of different fits that I'm gonna show you guys in a second. So I would either pair it up with a dress, I can pair it up with a skirt, I can pair it up with some pants, which I'm gonna show you guys. What I like about it also is the flower detailing. I don't have anything like this, and it's giving me like thrifting vibes. But not thrifted because it was $45. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on for you guys and I'll show you the fits. Guys, take a look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm literally so relieved that I got a large because I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but also I'm fine with it because I like the fact that it's like cropped. And I feel like I can do a lot with this piece. It's giving me such 70s vibes, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, it fits well with my room aesthetic as well. So yeah, this is how it looks like with the skirt that I would pair it with. I'd also pair it with my classic docs, these ones right here, and then just like a random bag as well. So yeah, that's for the first fit with this. And I'm going to show you guys how I'd wear it with the pants. So this one, I was thinking I can like half tuck it in, half tuck it out, sort of. Yeah, I really like how it looks tucked in. Oh my god, I love this sweater so much. And I wasn't expecting it, so shout out to my sister for finding it. And for these, no, for this fit, sorry, I would pair it with my Air Forces. Okay guys, I got my Air Forces. I'm a little out of breath because my dumbass left them downstairs and I had to go run and get them. But yeah, so this is how it looks with my Air Forces, and I'd also pair it with this bag, which is giving me problems right now. Okay, here. Alright guys, this is not a fit. Is this not a fit? So yeah, this is how it looks. Obviously I changed the socks to white. Again, I don't have white socks right now, so this is what you guys are getting. But yeah, this is how it looks. Hey guys, so for the next item, I'm really excited about this one as well. It's a lime green dress. Look how cute it is. Oh, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Wait, definitely holding this wrong. Okay, where's the other strap? Okay. Whoa. This is so humiliating. Where is the other strap? You know, I'm gonna figure this out off camera, but I'm gonna show you guys how the dress itself sort of looks. So here's one strap, and oh, here's the other strap. Okay, this is how it looks, and then this is the back. Literally 10 minutes later, I finally figured out how the dress is. Here are the straps, of course. and this is how it looks like. So I chose this dress because I don't have anything sort of flashy in my wardrobe right now. Everything's kind of neutral tones, so I thought I'd pick this dress out for like a little pop into the summer, because I feel like this is very summer. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I'd style this dress in a second. Guys, so this is how it looks. I'm actually quite happy with it. I love the material. Only issue is that I thought it was gonna be shorter. Not too much shorter, but I thought it was gonna be like just like up to here. So I'm probably gonna cut it. No, I'm for sure gonna cut it. But yeah. Okay guys, so I really love the detailing over here. I love the fact that it's tied at the front. I love the low cut V-line. And I also love how flowy it is. So yeah, this is how I'd wear it, by itself. I'd probably throw on, we have these like strappy heels that are white from Zara, but I can't find them. So that's probably what I would pair it with. Or also I was thinking I can wear this sweater on top. I can show you guys how that looks right now. Okay guys, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love this fit. Shout out to my sister. When she has a vision, that vision comes to life. And yeah, so this is how it looks. And again, I would pair it with the white shoes that I can't find. And yeah. Hey guys, so for the last item in my Zara haul, I got a pair of heels. Oh my god, I love these. So I picked them out because of the color, for one. I don't have any brown sandals for the summer. I love how asymmetrical they are, and the fact that they're so versatile. I can literally wear it with so many different fits. Another thing that I really like about these shoes are the heels. They're so different. I don't have anything like these. Zara literally always comes in clutch with the shoes. And they're actually affordable as well. $79.99. Not that expensive at all. So yeah. Okay guys, so moving on to my Mango haul. This shipment took a little longer to come because it came all the way from Spain. You should have seen my mom when she heard it was from Spain. We Lysoled it so much. So I'm scared to see if it's damaged inside, but I'm gonna open that up. So this haul doesn't contain any clothes. It's mostly accessories. Well, it's all accessories. I feel like there's a classy way to open stuff, and I feel like I'm doing this wrong, but whatever. Ah! Okay, which one first? Okay, I'm gonna start with this bag. Oh, probably open it up. Should we Lysol spray this? Okay, I think it's fine. Okay guys, so this is the first item of my Mango haul. Look how cute it is. I've been needing a beige bag for a long time now. I have a bunch of whites, blacks. I need it so yeah. This is how it looks. I wouldn't wear it with this outfit at all, but yeah, I would probably like put it, because I haven't had a purse in so long, so I definitely wear it as a purse, or I just leave it hanging on my elbow. Okay, so yeah, that's the first item of my Mango haul. Very happy with how it looks. Next item, we have my black bag. Yes, I know, another black bag, but this one's really cute as well. Okay, so this is another regular black purse. The only reason why I got it was because of this. Look at it, guys. Isn't that so cute? I'm looking for a word. What is it? It's very edgy, and I love that. So yeah, that's the reason why I bought it, literally because of the chain. Yeah, you can wear it with a bunch of different fits, and I'm excited to try this one out. Next item in my haul is this scarf. Let me open this up. So I got this scarf because I've been looking for a silk scarf for a while now, and I couldn't find one from like literally anywhere, and I love the patterns on this one. And the thing is, I can wear it as a scarf, I can wear it as a hijab, or I can even wear it as a shirt. Well, like I can wear it on top of my white blouse with a pair of jeans, and yeah. You know what? I was kind of expecting something bigger. So yeah, let me try it as a hijab. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like as a hijab. I was kind of expecting it to be a little bigger, but it's okay. I'm not mad at it because it looks pretty good. So I'd either wear it like the thing is I'd have to wear a turtleneck with it. So that's fine. I have a bunch of turtlenecks. Yeah, this is how I'd style it. Or I'd wear it on top of my white blouse, as I mentioned, which you guys will see on Instagram at some point. Okay, moving on to the final item, guys. By the way, I just looked at myself in the mirror and I feel like I look like the grandma in the Little Red Riding Hood. Did I say that right? The Little Red... Yeah, the grandma, you know, with the basket of apples. I feel like I look like her. But anyways, final item is my hat, but it doesn't look like a hat. 1 second. I'm gonna open it up. Here it is. Okay, guys, here it is. So I was debating between two different beige hats, and I ended up going with this one because I like how it folds up. And I'll show you guys. I have to fix it up. Okay, guys, if I thought I looked like a grandma before, I really feel like one right now. But I still like it. I like how it turned out. It's a little crumpled. But yeah, this is how I'd wear it. Guys, don't worry, there's a vision here, okay? It's gonna look way better on Instagram. But I'm really happy with the color and how it looks. And yeah, that was the final item of my haul. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like that's so redundant, you know what I mean? Is there like synonyms for that? Because I'm tired of saying it, but you know the vibes. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.